video arcade over here on 12th floor. So if you have kids, this is one place that you can bring all your children to play with. But even adults too, if you want to. Just to, you know, just to kill your time. Let's do it.
Oh yeah.
There. Uh-oh, someone wants to play.
One eternity later.
Tool in his bag. I'm a lady, let me see it vibrate. And when it's over, you ain't gonna need your
The next day.
Magandang umaga sa lahat. This is our second day. So we're gonna have our breakfast. Same get-ups. Same as kagabi. So medyo tahimik pa dito. May tulog pa ang mga tao. So yeah. So comes to 11. There you go. Magandang umaga sa lahat. This is our second day. So we're gonna have our breakfast. Same get-ups. Same as kagabi. So medyo tahimik pa dito. May tulog pa ang mga tao. So yeah. So comes to 11. There you go. Had our breakfast. Sports area. They have basketball. Have a mini golf. We are in Mexico. We've been there. Ayan, mamaya bababa kami. Mag-ikot-ikot lang po.
A few moments later.
waiter pa rin.
Aha.
Ayun. Tapos
Pero may day off din kayo?
day off.
Wala?
Meron po. Kapag halimbawa wala kaming lunch, duty, gano'n. Yun na yung pinaka-day off namin.
Oh, really? So, 7 days ang work nyo rin, gano'n? 24/7. Parang gano'n, 7 days a week?
7 months, dire-diretso.
Oh.
Pag nasa port tayo,
Aha.
wala kaming lunch sa dining room, gano'n.
Aha.
Yun ang pinaka-day off namin. Tapos balik ka na uli ng dinner.
Tapos, 7 months, tapos bakasyon ka ng ilang buwan?
Dalawa.
Tapos balik ka na naman dito. At least may waiting na job, Hindi yung mga ngapakakusan ka, mag-a-apply uli. At least may sure job ka
Bago
naman.
ka bumaba, makikita mo na yan.
Aha.
Kontrata mo ulit kung anong barko ka ulit. Sasaksahin.
Oh, that's good. Iba-iba, no?
Pwedeng babalik ka ulit dito. Merong pwedeng
Aha.
babalik.
Pero saan kayo uli mag-a-apply para at least alam nila? Sa MOA, sabi mo, Royal Caribbean Cruise.
May Bicom.
Oh, diba? At least, marami silang mga dito, Pilipino na nakakatuwa rin. I'm so proud kasi Pilipino rin kami, no? Tapos nakikita ko sila rito.
Marami.
Amazing,
Alas ka lahat.
Oh, really? Makaipon wala ngang At least, binabawasan kayo ng tax. So, buo nyo nakuha yung sweldo nyo. Ay, swerte sila si Uncle Sam, panay ang bawas sa atin.
Wala.
Tapos libre accommodation nyo.
Binabayaran na namin ito. Internet lang kung gusto mo natin. Pero kung gusto mo ng libre, sa labas na rin.
Pero libre food, accommodation. Oh. It's a good job, Isang ka pa, tapos aircon ka pa. Tapos you're just, entertain ka lang ng mga Pilipino, try their culture. Okay. Ay, salamat ha. Ang pangalan mo rin
Elmer.
Oh, Elmer, sorry. Nagkamali pa. Yeah, patingin. Baka yung isa.
Yan
Okay.
na nagtatrabaho sa Giovanni.
Oh, okay, sa Giovanni. Yung restaurant.
May Sumi. Japanese restaurant.
Alam mo, kahit nasa Texas kami, hindi kami kumakain.
May Sumi. Japanese restaurant.
Yeah. Ayan, pakita ko lang yung tag niya. Ayan, nakalagay ko anong country. Iba-iba. Nakakatuwa. Diba? Okay. Hello. Yeah. Ito po si Evangeline. Siya ang assigned sa, if you want an internet, over here in Royal Caribbean. So, oops. Hello, Evangeline.
Hello, Evangeline. Kamusta sa mga Pilipino dyan sa Texas? Sa sunod, mag-cruise kayo kasama ni Ma'am Melanie dito para ma-enjoy nyo naman yung Royal Caribbean Cruise.
Yeah, officer na si Ma'am dito. So,
Yes.
specialist. So, kung meron kayong ang hawak niya yung Royal Caribbean Cruise na boom, internet. So, kasi while cruising, you cannot use your internet, your private internet while cruising. So, you need a Wi-Fi connection in order for you to get in touch with your families and friends back where you belong, okay? Then after that, then you can just log out in order for you to just disconnect on the boom internet that they're having over in Royal Caribbean Cruise. So, yeah, it's masaya dito. So,
Good luck. See you on board.
See you on board na lang. Yeah, okay, bye. Thank you, Evelyn. If you want to have your next cruise to be booked, you want a booking, so go in here over in 6th floor of the cruise ship. Yeah, they have different flyers going to Alaska, Europe, the new one, Icon of the Seas, and Caribbean.